Today I will tell you how to make macaroni grilled sandwich. For that we need boiled macaroni, capsicum, boiled corn, cheese, pizza pasta sauce, mayonnaise, oregano, chili flakes, mixed herbs, salt, butter, 2 slices of brown bread. So, first we will take macaroni. Then we will take capsicum. For that we will take corn. Then we will take pizza pasta sauce. Then we will take mayonnaise. Then we will take mixed herbs. Then oregano. Then after that chili flakes. And in last salt. 1 spoon cheese. Now we will mix them all together. Then first we will take slice of bread. Then we will take mixture of macaroni. Then we will take 1 spoon first. Then we will take some cheese and we will put up. Now we will put this bread on this one. Now we will put some butter on top. Now we will put some butter on Now we will keep this upside the griller here. Now we will close the griller. Now we will on the switch. So friends, our macaroni grilled sandwich is ready. Friends, if you like my videos, so like and subscribe too.